Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore.
The Suprock Multifunctional Tactical Shovel is the ultimate solution for budget-conscious survivalists seeking exceptional value. This versatile tool delivers durability and versatility without compromising your wallet. The coated carbon steel shovel head boasts a serrated edge along half its length and a straight edge blade on the remainder, ensuring it's ready for a variety of tasks. The axe, crafted from a robust blend of chromium and high-carbon steel, guarantees longevity and resilience under demanding conditions. This versatile tool offers 3 adjustable handle lengths, ranging from 16 to 35 inches. When fully assembled, its deep threads prevent snagging, ensuring smooth assembly and disassembly every time. Within the extensions, a myriad of included tools can be conveniently stowed, including an axe, knife, saw, hook stick spanner, corkscrew whistle igniter, ice cone, fish scale, and a compass. This comprehensive set of handy tools caters to the diverse needs of survivalists. To further enhance portability, the kit comes with a heavy-duty carry bag, allowing you to neatly stash and transport your gear. The Suprock Multifunctional Tactical Shovel is the ideal companion for those who demand practicality, durability, and affordability in their survival tools. Are you a precision-oriented individual who demands the best tools for the job? If so, the Fire Wand is the fire starter you've been searching for. Simply pull out your ferrule rod or lighter, briskly tap the hemp rope, and carefully ignite the tinder. The paraffin-infused hemp rope burns slowly and steadily, providing ample time and a robust flame to light your tinder. With the Fire Wand, you can easily place the flame under your woodpile while keeping your fingers safe. After use, simply pull the rope inside the tube to extinguish the flame. This versatile tool ensures you can create fire whenever you need it. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply enjoying the outdoors, the Fire Wand is an essential addition to your survival kit. Navigating icy and slippery surfaces in wintry conditions can be dangerous. The Sfee Ice Snow Grips Crampons are designed to provide unparalleled traction and stability on any terrain. Crafted with high-quality materials, including 2-in-1 stainless steel chains and 304 stainless steel claws, these crampons offer exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. Stretchy thermoplastic elastomer strap ensures a snug and secure fit over most footwear, enhancing longevity and preventing slipping. With 19 multi-directional stainless steel spikes strategically placed for optimal traction, including 12 spikes at the forefoot and 7 spikes at the heel, these crampons offer 360-degree stability on ice, snow, rocks, and more. Lightweight and portable, they come with a storage bag and Velcro straps for easy transportation and convenience. Whether you're hiking, running, fishing, or simply walking outdoors in winter, these crampons provide essential grip and safety. They're the perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts of all ages. The Guardian Gravity Purifiers rely on advanced, minuscule hollow fiber filter media. It's important to handle the cartridge with care, as these fibers can be damaged if dropped or exposed to freezing temperatures. To ensure your purifier is safe after such incidents, perform a simple integrity test. First, disconnect the inlet hose from the reservoir and fill it with 3 to 4 liters of water. Maximize the air content and seal the reservoir by rolling the closure strap 4 times. Reconnect the inlet hose and lay the system on the ground for a clear view. Flip the reservoir so the hose port faces down, and while holding the closure strap and kneeling on the reservoir, force water through the inlet hose, ensuring no air enters. Open the purge clamp to eliminate air bubbles, then close it. Open the shutoff clamp while kneeling on the reservoir and fill the outlet hose with water. Now flip the reservoir so the hose port faces up, kneel on it, and force only air through the inlet hose. This will force air against the fully wetted fibers inside the cartridge. If a fiber is damaged, you'll see a steady stream of bubbles in the outlet hose. Repeat the test to confirm. Note that a few trapped air bubbles may escape, but that doesn't necessarily indicate a damaged cartridge. Look for a consistent stream of bubbles in every test to identify a damaged fiber. If the cartridge is compromised, discontinue use and replace it promptly. Imagine being stranded in the wilderness, battling against the biting cold. Without proper protection, hypothermia can quickly become a life-threatening situation. That's where the GoTime Gear's Life Tent comes in. This two-person emergency shelter is designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions and keep you warm and safe. Constructed from extra-thick, tear-resistant material, the Life Tent locks out rain, wind, and snow. Its reflective interior traps heat, helping to prevent hypothermia. Bedding it up is a breeze. Simply run the 20-foot rope through both ends, tie it between two trees or sturdy objects, anchor the corners, and climb inside. If you can't find suitable trees, the Life Tent can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket. The Life Tent comes with a nylon stuff sack featuring paracord technology, which combines a strong nylon core and a powerful 120 decibel survival whistle. This whistle can be heard from a distance of up to a mile, making it an essential tool for signaling for help. Despite its compact size, the Life Tent is incredibly durable and can withstand repeated use in harsh conditions. Whether you're hiking, camping, hunting, or simply want to be prepared for any emergency, the GoTime Gear's Life Tent is an essential piece of equipment. It's the perfect shelter for unpredictable outdoor challenges and could save your life in a pinch. In the wild, a reliable fire starter is crucial for survival, providing warmth, cooking, and signaling capability. The bayite 4-inch survival Ferrocerium drilled Flint fire starter is a compact and durable tool designed to ignite fires in any weather condition. This fire starter includes a 5-foot paracord for a secure grip, ensuring it never slips from your hand. Attached to the paracord is the Bayite Striker Pro, made from tool-grade HSS steel with 6 striking edges, maximizing the shower of hot sparks for efficient fire ignition. With a Ferrocerium rod measuring 10 centimeters long and 10 millimeters in diameter, this fire starter produces a massive amount of sparks, reaching temperatures of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to ignite fires in rain, shine, snow, or wind. Waterproof and weatherproof, suitable for any outdoor adventure, from bushcraft and hiking to camping and hunting. A must-have for any survival kit, the Bayite Fire Starter ensures readiness and safety in emergency situations. The cornerstone of Earth Packs, our original dry bags, come in a variety of sizes from 10 to 55 liters, making them perfect for any adventure. All sizes are designed to meet most airline carry-on regulations. For smaller trips or active water sports, our 10 and 20 liter bags feature a single adjustable shoulder strap for easy carrying. Our larger 30 to 55 liter bags come with padded shoulder straps, a chest strap, and a waist belt, included on the 55 liter, for comfortable carrying of heavy loads. Constructed with welded, leak-proof seams and durable 500D PVC material, our dry bags are completely waterproof and resistant to abrasion and punctures. The roll-top closure ensures a tight, leak-proof seal, protecting your gear from the elements. D-rings allow you to securely tie your bag to a raft, boat, or kayak. With their minimalist design and exceptional durability, our dry bags are the perfect companion for any adventure. Pack up and go with EarthPack. Say goodbye to knots and hello to convenience with the Nite CamJam cord tightener. This handy tool, made of durable plastic, features a carabiner clip and a rotating cam mechanism, making it a breeze to tighten, tension, and secure lighter loads. Whether you're setting up camp, organizing gear, or bundling items, the CamJam has you covered. Use the fixed end system to secure tarps, tents, or backpack gear by simply attaching the carabiner and threading your cord through the cam until you achieve the desired tension. Cam locks securely in place until you release it. For bundling items like sleeping bags or blankets, or securing loads to wheelbarrows or bikes, the loop system is your go-to. Create a loop with your cord, attach the CamJam, and pull the other end through to secure. The CamJam is available in 2 sizes to accommodate different cord diameters, and its versatility shines through its ease of adjustment and compatibility with both static and elastic cords. With the CamJam, securing, bundling, and wrapping becomes effortless, reflecting Nite's commitment to innovation, creativity, and quality. Seeking the perfect balance of comfort and convenience on your solo adventures? Look no further than the Nite Ultralight tent, designed for the discerning outdoor enthusiast who demands the best. This tent is a marvel of lightweight engineering, effortlessly packed and pitched, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, or any outdoor escapade. Despite its compact size, the Nite Ultralight tent offers surprisingly spacious and comfortable accommodations, ensuring a restful night's sleep after a day of exploration. Built to withstand the elements, its durable construction and reliable performance make it an indispensable companion for those who value quality and practicality. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or embarking on your first solo journey, the Nite Ultralight tent is your gateway to a comfortable and worry-free outdoor experience. Don't miss out on this exceptional solo shelter solution. Priced at $169, the Nite Ultralight tent stands out in its class, offering an unmatched blend of practicality, comfort, and durability. Invest in a reliable haven that combines simplicity, ease of use, and peace of mind for the solo explorer. Calling all beer lovers, take your brewing experience to new heights with the TMCRAFT GAL double-walled beer keg growler. This premium growler is designed to keep your beverages ice-cold for up to 48 hours thanks to its double-walled stainless steel insulation. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this growler not only maintains temperature, but also preserves the full flavors of your beer, keeping it as fresh as the day you brewed it. And with its sleek, updated design, it'll look great in your kitchen or on the go. The TMCRAFT sets itself apart with its external stainless steel pressure regulator, a step above the competition in terms of durability and stability. The integrated gauge allows you to effortlessly monitor and adjust the PSI, ensuring perfect carbonation and a beautiful head every time you pour. The detachable stainless steel keg spear is a game changer, allowing you to maintain pressure even after removing the regulator. Convenient storage. With a generous 5-liter capacity, this growler fits perfectly in standard home coolers or refrigerators and is easy to transport. Your favorite brew is always on hand. Simply screw in CO2 gas cartridges into the regulator to infuse your beer with pressurized carbonation. TMCRAFT GAL is compatible with food-grade 16-gram threaded CO2 gas cartridge, guaranteeing the perfect level of fizz. The TMCRAFT GAL double-walled beer keg growler is the ultimate choice for beer enthusiasts who demand the best in freshness, convenience, and quality. Upgrade your brewing experience today. Do you love sipping on hot tea or coffee all day long? Hate constantly reheating it in the microwave? The COSORI mug warmer is here to solve that problem. This smart device keeps your beverages at the ideal temperature, automatically turning on when you place a cup on it and shutting off after 8 hours so you never have to worry about accidentally leaving it on. With a waterproof surface to protect against spills and a durable aluminum alloy construction, the COSORI mug warmer offers a worry-free experience. The use of advanced PI heating film ensures efficient and even heating. Plus, you can easily adjust the temperature to your preference using the built-in controls and digital display. COSORI mug warmer is compatible with all heat-safe materials, including stainless steel, glass, ceramic, and more. Say goodbye to lukewarm drinks and enjoy the convenience of warm sips whenever you want with the COSORI mug warmer.